Hello everyone, my name is Rosemary Afuape and this is my moment of truth.
I didn't abort Kachi's baby. Ultimate Love star Rosie finally reveals the truth. Rosie made this known in her side of the story that she didn't abort Kachi's baby, neither did she plan to do that beforehand. In a Tell It All video tagged My Truth, the Ultimate Love Season 1 reality TV star believed she has convinced her supporters that she is not an abortionist. It's few weeks after her co-winner Kachi opened up on why their relationship ended surprisingly. The Ultimate Love star Rosie has come out with her side of the story. You could recall that during an interview with media personality Chudi Gideon, the male Ultimate Love ex-love guest Kachi stated that Rosie personally decided to call off their proposed union by officially writing to their supposed marriage sponsor MultiChoice to terminate their wedding. This information came several weeks after rumors made the rounds that Kachi and Rosie, the season 1 Ultimate Love co-winner who were supposed to marry each other as part of their winning vows, called it quits. Kachi also narrated how Rosie aborted his baby few weeks after he got her pregnant by claiming to visit a pharmacist after she missed her period, not knowing to Kachi that she went to have some abortion drugs administered to her. However, on Saturday, Rosie took to her social media pages to share a YouTube video telling her side of the story. And part of what Rosie revealed was that she never aborted Kachi's baby, adding that she only had a miscarriage. Also, she made mention of the time Kachi hit her 3 times in case of domestic violence, which her father and brother knew about. The reality love star insisted that she is not a murderer or an abortionist, but a mother, sister, and daughter, and didn't make this video to defame Kachi, she said.
Him, I am not a response, please. This is my moment of truth. And I am not here to defend myself, but I'm here to only emphasize the fact that say the truth that I am not a mother, please. I never aborted any child. I had a miscarriage a day after my son's birthday. And I am not here to throw anyone in the bad light, but what he has done to me, destroying me as a woman, as a mother, more than that, taking food out of my hand that would feed my son. It's unimaginable. Several times he has said he didn't want us to be together. Several times he has tried to postpone the wedding. But what I would take, one, is violence. Two, tarnishing and slandering my name publicly. It's a no for me, and I would not have it as a mother and as a woman. There are several things, several stories out there, but this is me bearing my heart and coming to tell you all the truth and nothing but the truth. To everyone I've offended with my character, with my rudeness, please, this journey, this part of my life has broken me entirely. With folded arms, I am truly sorry for everyone I've disrespected, but I'm really broken. I'm really broken. That one day, my children will grow up to see a video of a man I trusted with my body, with my heart, with my love, to damage me and destroy me like this. I'm sorry, but I'm really broken. I'm really, really broken. And this is my moment. I'm sure.